And some more latest news and update for you coming from our friends at the Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority. Ayan. Okay, alam nyo ba na the SBMA, NBI, joint operations led the arrest, of Chinese nationals allegedly involved in kidnapping and illegal pogo. Ayan. So a joint enforcement operation between the National Bureau of Investigation and the Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority and the Naval Special Operations Group was conducted against Chinese nationals at the Grande Island. Kahapon lang din to, ha? Yan, naaresto yung mga Chinese nationals at the Grande Island. The arrest was led by NBI Director Judge Jaime Santiago. The operation resulted to the arrest of 6 foreign nationals and 2 Filipino nationals, including Chinese nationals Qi Feng, whose real name is Ye Tianwu. Okay? Yan. They were arrested for violations under Republic Act number 8799 or the Securities Regulation Code and RA 10175, also known as the Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012. Ayan. So sabi nga ni Kuya Jason Lorenzana, na pinost niya kanina, nakita ko sa Barangayan page, salute PNP, salute NBI, salute SBMA, of course. Okay? So don't make this news, turn this news into something like a negative thing na naman, ha? Kasi dati pag may naaarestong nag-i-smuggle, may naaarestong nagnanakaw, nagiging negative news ang dating, di ba? Sasabihin, ay, may nakawan na nangyayari, may hindi, hinuhuli nga kahit saan naman may mga nangyayaring masama, ang maganda, nahuhuli, hinuhuli, gumagalaw, kumikilos, yung mga bossing natin na nasa kapulisan, nasa NBI, and syempre, the authorities of the SBMA, gumagalaw, di ba? We should be happy, di ba? Matuwa tayo na gumagalaw. Kaysa naman na hindi nahuli, hindi gumalaw. Kasi they turn it into something negative minsan, di ba? Parang nagiging sasabihin may nangyayari dyan na ganito, na ganun. Kahit saan naman may mga nangyayaring masama na hindi ka nais-nais, it's good na may nababalitaan ka na ganyan dahil hinuli, di ba? Kaysa naman hindi hinuli. Okay? So that's also the one of the latest news and update coming from the SBMA media. Yan, okay? And also, hi to Ma'am Mary and everybody at Royal Duty Free. Shoutout sa inyong lahat. Ayan, may invitation sila. Yung Royal Duty Free Shops is having the Ultimate Summer Adventure March 15 to May 31, 2025. Shop for a chance to win a trip for 4 to Phuket, Thailand. Ayan, uy, yung mga kaibigan natin ngayon, nasa sila Kuya Jeff. Hindi ako sinama. And other exciting prizes pa. Naku, may scooters, may motorcycle scooters. Iba pa yung scooter na alam niyo yun, yung tinutulak-tulak na. Yeah. Plus digital gadgets and gift checks. Okay? So for every 500 single receipt purchase, earns you 1 raffle entry for a chance to win this incredible summer escape. Yan. Until March 31 lang, ha? So whenever you shop there, dalhin niyo yung resibo nyo sa customer service counter of the marketing. Royal Duty Free Shops. Yan po yung invitation nila sa inyo. Uy, we're out.